नमस्कार दोस्तों, आई एम श्योर you'll be surprised if I tell you to stop doing things the way you've been doing things, and if I tell you to start doing things the way you've not been doing the things. And ladies and gentlemen, why am I talking about it? I'm talking about it because these are not the normal times, ladies and gentlemen. These are the times which are not normal. These are unusual times. These are abnormal times, and they will expect an unusual response from all of us. A usual response to a usual situation would work, but these are the situations which are unusual situations, and hence we need to have an unusual response to it, ladies and gentlemen. And that's where the statement that please stop doing what you have been doing all these days, and please start doing what you have not been doing. Please reflect as an individual, what is that which you are generally known for? What is that which your behavior is generally known for? What is the pattern in your action? Okay. What is the pattern of your thinking? And these are the times when you got to figure out how much of that is going to work in this situation, how much of that is going to really be relevant to this unusual situation, ladies and gentlemen. Let it be an organization. Let it be a family. Let it be an individual. I think we got to figure out in current time, how do I sense my five sensory organs? How do I relate my sensory organs with the given reality? And how do I know what I know in this unusual situation, ladies and gentlemen? How do I see? How do I understand? How do I look? How do I sense? How do I smell? How do, so how exactly my sensory organs are working in current situation, and how do I have this understanding? How am I perceiving and how am I understanding? Okay. And then how am I behaving? How am I responding? How my actions are? If all that has been happening, ladies and gentlemen, the way you've been doing before the current crisis which we are going through, I'm sure you're going to have a difficulty, okay? So these 3-4 months have really made it imperative to think different, to sense different, to behave different, to relate different, to connect different, to look in a different way, ladies and gentlemen. These are not, again, I'm telling you, the normal times. So your organization which has been doing things in a particular way before the corona or this COVID-19, I think the organization need to figure out that, look, the current situation needs a different response from me. You got to revisit some of the values which you have been very, very clearly focusing on, and you would have had a strong belief. You might have to continue doing few things, ladies and gentlemen. So please keep doing certain things. I'm not saying that look, please, topple the cartel. No, I'm not saying that, look, make things go topsy-turvy. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that, look, there are things which you're very strongly convinced about, which are very fundamental to your existence. You got to keep doing those things, okay? Nothing has to be changed as far as those things are concerned, okay? But there's a lot of paraphernalia which is there, and it is that which needs to be changed. So you got to figure out that what is that which you got to continue doing in the current situation, okay? And what is that which you need to change? What is that which you need to rediscover? What is that which you need to refigure out and get that into the response, get that into your action, get that into your behavior. And I'm sure that the response which would come would be commensurate with the way the reality is outside. So that's the time, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Now, this is a time when you got to really slow down, okay? This is not a time to do things in an intense way. There's huge uncertainty. There are a number of questions, okay? There is a skepticism, there's a fear, there is a doubt. With all these elements in the reality, ladies and gentlemen, I think you got to really slow down. You got to slow down your thinking. You got to slow down your action. You got to slow down your response. You got to slow down. Slow down not to really retard. Slow down so that you can understand it completely. Okay. Slow down to condition your response aligned. Okay, and get into a response which is really in semblance. Okay. So that's what I mean by slowing down. You got to think about really different aspects, okay, and then connect to the reality, ladies and gentlemen. These are not the normal times. So think about it, okay? That what's that different which you're going to do? What's that exclusive which you're going to do? What's that new which you're going to do? What's that different way you're going to adopt as far as looking at the reality is concerned? How you thinking is going to be different. These are the time to test your range, ladies and gentlemen. These are the times to test your adaptability as a leader, okay? These are the time to really figure out how optimistic, how deep, how wide, and how sensible you as a human being is. So watch out, stay careful, and stay happy. All the very best. Have a great day. Bye bye. Jai Ho.